Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of some luggage that I bought from Béis. Clearly, you can see how excited I am. But between Instagram and TikTok, I was definitely influenced to get this luggage. I also got a new job recently where I will be traveling a little bit more, so I decided to invest in some more quality luggage. The two pieces I purchased were the carry-on roller and the weekender bag. You all know I am team carry-on. I have not checked a bag in years, at least 6 years. So I am carry-on all the way. So let's start with the features of the carry-on. The first feature is this TSA lock. As you can see, it has a combination that you can create, and then all you have to do is switch over the button and the zipper will unlock. By the way, I decided to go with this heather gray color. They did have about 5 different colors to choose from, but for some reason this heather gray stood out to me. I thought it was nice and chic. So let's talk about the interior. It is a butterfly open, which is very easy for packing and unpacking. And then I love that on one side, it has a detachable compression flap and compression straps, which I love because I always overpack. You gotta have options. There are a few different zip pouches for keeping small valuables like socks, belts, even really small sandals you can fit in those zip pouches. But what I really love about this carry-on, that it comes with a separate pouch set for dirty clothes, shoes, undergarments, damp clothing. I mean, this definitely gives you a little bit of bang for your buck. I am one that always steals the laundry bag out of hotel closets for my dirty clothes, so this is perfect to have. Okay, quick fun fact. Béis was actually founded by the actress Shay Mitchell. You may know her from Pretty Little Liars, but she also has a huge Instagram following. But anyway, back to a couple of more features of the carry-on bag. So it does have a 360-degree wheel design, and I really love that the trolley has a soft cushion handle. It also has this logoed retractable bag attached strap. I believe it holds up to 15 pounds. Very convenient. The last feature I wanted to point out on the carry-on is the weight limit indicator. So there's a side carry handle with a little clear window at the top. So if you pick up your luggage with that side carry handle and that window shows red, that means that this bag is over 50 pounds. Now let's move on to the mini weekender bag. I'm excited about this because I can use this bag as a personal item when traveling. It's compact enough that I can fit it underneath the seat in front of me on the plane, but it's also large enough and wide enough that I can fit a lot of things in here. So let's talk about the features. First, as you can see, it does come with this pocket, but the zipper opens up where you can run it through the trolley on the carry-on bag. It has a pocket in the front of it, a really deep pocket. But this little compartment on the bottom of the bag is a game changer. It's a completely separate compartment. Most people put like their shoes in here that I've seen like on TikTok, but you can also put toiletries, your makeup bag, whatever else you think you need. That is completely separate from the inside of the bag. That just gives you more space to pack more things. It has 2 straps where you can carry it on your shoulder, or it also comes with this removable shoulder crossbody strap as well. I mean, just look how wide this, I love how wide it opens up so you can really fit a lot of things in there. What I also like about this is this key leash that it comes with. If you're someone like me who just throws their keys in the bag, the key leash is so convenient for you to be able to find your keys after a long trip once you get home. That is the laptop or iPad compartment that's padded with a strap to secure it. And then on the other side are a few more compartments. There's 2 compartments that don't zip, and then there's a zipped compartment, and that compartment is actually pretty deep where you can fit a lot of things in there. Small valuables, small little toiletry bags if you need to, but I just love how you can fit so many things in there, but still small enough to use it as a personal item. I love it. This is the perfect little combo while traveling. I do just want to show you how the mini weekender bag slides through the trolley handle, making it so easy to maneuver through the airport without having to carry it on your shoulder. But that's it. I will do another review after I actually use it, but thank you so much for watching. I have all the details in the description box. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.